Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Maxima. First, for your safety, please ensure your vehicle is completely stationary before beginning the pairing process. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings menu to activate Bluetooth. Finally, locate either the phone button or the Enter/setting button on your Maxima's audio system to begin the in-car setup. This is the starting point for a seamless connection. Now let's get your Maxima into pairing mode. If your vehicle is equipped with a navigation system, simply press the phone button on the audio panel. From there, select Connect and then Connect New Device on the touchscreen display. For Maxima models without navigation, press the Enter/setting button, then choose Bluetooth, and finally, Add Phone. This prepares your car to be discovered by your mobile device. With your Maxima in pairing mode, it's time to connect your phone. On your mobile device, open your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see an option like My Car appear. Select it. Both your phone and the car's screen will then display a unique 4-digit PIN. Confirm that these numbers match exactly. Once verified, accept the pairing request on your mobile device to complete the connection. You are almost ready to go. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, make sure no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your Maxima, as this can prevent new pairings. Second, keep your mobile device physically close to the vehicle's audio system to ensure a strong signal. Lastly, always check your phone's battery level. A low charge can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth functionality. If problems persist, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.